Dopamine Detox. How to reset your brain in 7 days. Have you ever felt stuck in loop of procrastination, low motivation, and endless scrolling? You wake up, check your phone, binge watch videos, eat junk food, and still feel exhausted. But why? The answer lies in a tiny chemical inside your brain dopamine. And today, I'll show you how to reset your brain in just 7 days with a powerful dopamine detox. If you stick to this till the end, your focus, energy, and motivation will skyrocket. So, watch till the end, and I know my video quality will not be that one you love because my editing skill is not good, but the knowledge in this video will help you 100%. Now, what is dopamine and why you need a detox? Dopamine is the brain's reward chemical. It makes you feel good when you eat tasty food, win a game, or get likes on social media. But the problem is modern life's modern life overloads your brain with dopamine, like social media, junk food, and binge watch hijack your brain's reward system, making real life goals feel boring, isn't it? That's why you struggle with focus, discipline, and motivation. A dopamine detox can reset this system, helping you enjoy simple things again and be more productive. Now, the 7-day dopamine detox plan. Day 1. Identify your dopamine triggers. Write down the activities that gave you quick dopamine hits like TikTok, Instagram, junk food, video games, or mindless browsing. Remember, awareness is the first step to breaking free. Now, day 2. Cut out the high dopamine distractions. For the next 24 hours, completely avoid all sources of instant dopamine. I know it will be hard for you, but not impossible. So try it. No social media, no video games, no processed sugar, and no endless scrolling. Your brain will crave them, but trust me, this is the hardest yet, as I said, but important step. Day 3. Replace it with low dopamine activities. Now fill the gap with low dopamine, but high reward activities like reading, journaling, meditation, or walking in nature. Your brain will start rewiring itself to enjoy real rewards instead of artificial ones. Day 4. Dopamine Fasting Challenge. Try this for one full day. No porn, no music, no entertainment, just you, your thoughts, and reality. This dopamine fast forces your brain to reset. At first, it feels boring, but by the end, you will feel a sense of mental clarity you haven't experienced in years. Day 5. Reintroduce positive dopamine sources. Not all dopamine is bad. Today, replace bad habits with good ones. Instead of doom scrolling, read a book. Instead of games, learn a new skill. Instead of junk food, eat healthy meals. Make dopamine work for you, not against you. You are using your own dopamine against yourself. Day 6. Exercise and deep work. Physical activity is the best natural dopamine booster. Go for a run, hit the gym, or just do body weight exercises. Then challenge yourself to focus deeply on one task, whether it's studying or writing or coding, for one full hour without distractions. Day 7. Maintain the balance and supercharge your brain. By now, your brain is resting, but to make this permanent, follow the 80 and 20 rule 80% of the time. Focus on low dopamine, high reward activities 20% of the time. Allow yourself some entertainment. This way, you control dopamine instead of letting it control you. So, now, congratulations! If you follow this 7-day dopamine detox, you will experience better focus, discipline, and motivation like never before. But now, here is the real question. Are you ready to take action? If yes, drop a in the comment section and let me know which day will be the hardest for you. Also make sure to like, subscribe and share this video so more people can break free from the dopamine trap. See you in the next video.